Hello everybody and welcome to Explorer Hop. Today we're told that an 8-foot ladder is leaning against a wall and it's 3 feet away from the wall, and our job is to find out how high up the wall the ladder reaches. So first thing we're going to do is we're going to draw this scenario. So draw it, and this will help us visualize and make it easier to solve the actual problem. So if the ladder is represented by this line, 8 feet tall, and this is the wall, and the ladder is 3 feet away from the wall, here we have a diagram, and we're trying to solve for this side length x. And since this is a right angle, making this triangle a right triangle, we can use the Pythagorean Theorem to solve for the value x. The Pythagorean Theorem tells us that a squared plus b squared equals c squared. Therefore, a squared equals c squared minus b squared, because we have b, which is 3 feet, and we have c, which is a hypotenuse, 8 feet. And now we can just substitute in our values to solve for a squared. So let's actually label this a squared to make it easier for ourselves. So a squared is equal to 8 squared minus 3 squared. Therefore, a squared is equal to 64 minus 9, and a squared is equal to 55. Therefore, a is equal to the square root of 55, which is around 7.42 feet. Therefore, the ladder reaches around, because it's not exact, we rounded, around 7.42 feet up the wall. Thank you so much for joining us, and we'll see you in the next lesson.